What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about what exactly to do when your parents don't support your dreams. तो मुझे पता है बहुत frustrating होता है, like when I started my journey approximately 2 years ago, तो it was very difficult in the starting for me to convince them. मैंने उन्हें समझाया बहुत ज़्यादा that I want to do this, but still you know they wanted me कि मैं safe side पर रहूँ. I should continue my studies, I should focus more on my studies. Okay, this topic is very personal and touchy topic for me क्योंकि मैं इसे खुद पास हुई हूँ. मुझे पता है like कैसा फील होता है just for a starter जब when he just jump start the dreams या फिर जब उसने कुछ start किया होता और he wants to build something. So let's start the video and I would give you 3 pieces of advice in this video which you can follow and I hope they'll be helpful, of course. So I know my parents are watching this video. I'm not criticizing you first of all. So hey mom, hey dad. So my dear mom and dad, please don't get disappointed by this video. It's just for the people who have just started, okay? And I just want to give them some advice. And you know सबसे ज़्यादा hurt कब होता है, like जब आपने सोचा होता है that these people will support you the most, like you share the same blood with them, so you think that these people will support you the most, but at the end आपको पता लगता है that they are not with you, they don't want कि आप ये करो, आप अपने dreams को follow करो. Okay, so the first piece of advice which I'll give you is your parents will not understand and they will never understand unless you give them results. Okay, आपको results देने पड़ेंगे उन्हें. Results is what matters the most. अगर मैं इस वीडियो में बार बार results बोलूँगी, so that is what it is. Results हैं जो सबको चाहिए, आपके पेरेंट्स को भी चाहिए, आपकी फ्रेंड्स, आपकी फैमिली, आपके रिलेटिव्स, they all need results whatever you are doing. You have to understand that at the end of the day your parents care about your safety and their job is to protect you. So वो नहीं चाहेंगे कि आप कोई ऐसा काम करो जिसमें रिस्क हो, be it your business, your passion, or your dream job, whatever. Like उनको आपका बिजनेस समझ नहीं आएगा कि आप अपने बिजनेस को, अपने प्रोजेक्ट को किस लेवल पे लेके जाना चाहते हो. So now the second piece of advice which I would give you, हाँ वो थोड़ी सी controversial हो सकती है, okay, so please don't fight with me. That's my opinion, okay. So the second advice is don't listen to your parents if you want to be rich. Like वो केस अलग है जब अगर आपके पेरेंट्स super duper rich हैं, okay, and you aspire to be like them. So let me ask you a question and try to answer it as honestly as you can. How many of you want to be a greater than your parents' success? How many of you want to be surpassed than your parents' success? I guarantee that many of us actually want it and we aspire ourselves to do that consciously. It's always nice to go back to parents and tell them that you made actually something bigger than them. And you know what सबसे ज़्यादा difficult कब होता है, like when you live with your parents and from morning to night आपको बस एक ही बात सुननी पड़ती है that this will not happen, please stop, do something, do kind of job or something like that, which I used to listen. Continue studies, okay, you will find a good job, stop all this, whatever. So my response to that was yeah, okay, bye. So that was my response to them. So now the third piece of advice which I'll give you is surround yourself with people who get it. आप उन लोगों से अपने आप को सराउंड करो जो लोग आपकी तरह सोचते हैं, जो लोग आपकी तरह करना चाहते हैं, whatever your dream is, like people those who follow that thing. You know what, it is absolutely crucial when your parents 100% don't support you. Now where will you find these people like? तो जो मैंने अपना वे ढूंढा था जहाँ से मैंने मेरी थिंकिंग के सिमिलर लोग ढूंढे थे, that was that I joined different Facebook groups where I made new friends, okay. So that's a different kind of positivity, like आपके आइडिया सेम है, आप एक मास्टरमाइंड्स के साथ बैठते हो और आपके अंदर एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आती है और ज़्यादा काम करने की और ज़्यादा अपने विज़न को इंक्रीज़ करने की, अपने विज़न तक पहुंचने की. बिकॉज एट द एंड आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा दैट यू हैव टू थिंक बोथ अबाउट योर मेंटल हेल्थ एंड योर हैप्पीनेस. This journey of building something, yes, it's rough, yes, it's tough, but ये हमेशा ऐसे नहीं रहेगी. You have to put continuous efforts into your work, and you will surely reach heights one day, and that day your parents are going to say that yeah, that is my child. Anyways guys, you have reached the end of this short video, so I just wanted to share these 3 things. I know there are many videos on this topic, you should definitely tap into them, but these were those 3 things which helped me to come out of that phase. I know this might not be the best way or the only way to handle these type of situations. So if you want more resources like this, please like, comment and do subscribe to this channel so that I can bring more videos for you. So yeah, have a great day, have a great week, have a great month, and have a great life, of course. Bye bye, see you in the next video.